श्रीमन्महाभारतं 63rd डे। ॐ अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Sriman Mahabharatam Adiparvam 43rd to 55th chapters, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshit felt that he is out of that curse of Semika Maharshi, because he felt that if the small insect bites, he is not going to die anymore. So he kept that small insect on his neck and started laughing loudly. At that time, Takshaka immediately revolved around Parikshitu and bite him with that. With the poison of that Takshaka, the entire palace burnt into ashes, and Maharaju Parikshitu also burnt into ashes. After that, Parikshitu's son Janamejaya became king. Janamejaya's wife's name is Vapushtama, and he wanted to retaliate on Takshaka. So he called on, Janamejaya Maharaju called on so many scholars, Vedic scholars, and asked, is there anything that by which we can retaliate on Takshaka and all his relatives, all the serpents? I wanted to make sure all the serpents are burnt out in the Agni. Is there any way that we can do that? Then all the scholars said that, O Janamejaya Maharaja, Sarvasatramiti Khyatam Purane Paripathyate. There is one Sarpayagam. They recommended that. Immediately Janamejaya Maharaju ordered to make arrangements for that, and in the very beginning one Vastu Pandit came and said, there is going to be a big obstacle to this Sarpayagam. Janamejaya Maharaju did not like that. Immediately he said to his ministers that do not let any stranger come and give their opinion here. Like that Janamejaya Maharaju ordered, and Yajnam started. All the Ritviks, Pandits are inviting with the mantras. All the serpents are forcibly coming and falling in the Yajnam and getting burnt out into the ashes. Like that, lakhs and crores of serpents got burnt out. Then Takshaka came to know about that. He got scared and he went and surrendered to Devendra. Then Devendra says, O Takshaka, don't worry, don't get scared. For you, I already had Brahmadeva pleased with my prayers. So I arranged everything for you, don't worry. Like that, Devendra said. Takshaka felt happy and started living in Devendra's palace itself. And on other hand, other serpent Vasuki also getting worried so much, and immediately called on his sister Jaratkaru and asked her to call her son Astika. Then she called on Astika and told everything to Astika. Then Astika said, don't worry, I will go and stop that Yajnam. Like that Astika said and went to the Yajnasala of Janamejaya Maharaj. But in the entrance, the security guards did not let him enter the Yajnasala. Then from the entrance itself, Astika started praising the Yajnam, started praising the king Janamejaya, started praising all the Ritviks, and started praising Agni Deva. With his prayers, with his praisings, all the people got very much pleased. Then Janamejaya Maharaj asks Astika, what do you want? What boon can I offer you? When he was asking like that, one of the Pandits who are doing Yajnam, Ritvik, he says to the king like this, O Raja, We have been chanting so many mantras to drag Takshaka here, but Takshaka is never coming, is not coming at all. Like that, when Ritvik says, Janamejaya Maharaj is saying that you all put all your strength and power and use all the mantras and bring Takshaka here, because Takshaka is my real enemy. Like that, Janamejaya Maharaj is ordering everyone. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the scripture Sriman Mahabharat. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us dedicate ourselves to Sriman Narayana and do Sashtanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishke Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.